Hello. So today I'm giving you a 2-for-1 deal. Wow. I'm actually gonna do a makeup look with this particular palette that I picked up at Burlington. And then I'm going to use this mask afterwards after I clean my face, of course. I am going to try to do a makeup look because I'm not good at makeup, but guess what? We're gonna try today. So I'm gonna try to sort of match my little outfit here. Sort of like this is green, there's black, and then there's white happening there. So I'm gonna try and do that. So first I'm gonna put on concealer on my eye rather than eyelid primer because I'm difficult and I don't really like the eyelid primer that I have. I need to find a new one. So I'm using this concealer from CoverGirl called Ready Set Gorgeous, and I mean, I like it, but I don't think it's actually my tone, but you know, I don't care. So let me put that on, and I'm just putting it on my eyes here, and I'm gonna do underneath afterwards. So right now I'm just going to rub this in to get my eye ready for destruction. Alright, so it looks like I have nothing on. That's great, because the other one kind of cast a weird white shadow or whatever. So now I'm going to put on white as my base, hopefully. I'm actually going to be following this thing, which I got from another one of the palettes that I have. They actually show you how to make an eye look, and since I don't know how to do makeup, I'm going to be following this. Yeah! I'm going to be using this color, which is like some weird white. It's called Lunar. And then I'm going to be using this color on the outside. And then I'm going to be using this color. It's more gray than that one is. So yeah, those are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. I guess I'll show you. So I'm slapping it on there, supposedly as a base. This is hard. I'm gonna rub it in or blend it out, however this works. So yeah, now that's down there. It looks down there. I don't know how people do this. Okay, so that definitely looks like things are happening on my eyeball. So then the next one, ooh, stuff is coming out my palette here. The next one I'm gonna use is the grayish color that I showed you. Let me actually switch brushes. So now I'm using another flat brush, you know, like to attempt to do this. I have a mirror right here also, so I'm going to be looking at her sometimes. So now I'm going to put this, I don't know, on my lid here, I guess. Okay, so that looks like I did something, hopefully. So there's that happening. Does it look like something? Sort of. It just looks like somebody slapped me in the eye with a brush. Honestly, I still have no clue what each brush does, but I'm hoping that I picked the right ones. So this one, I'm using an angled brush, like that. Oof. That side looks better than this side. I have to get one of these other brushes. This brush, and hopefully blend it out, question mark? I think that's how it's supposed to work. So let's see. Did that do anything? I don't think it did anything. Let me get this one. Will that make a difference? Oh, I don't think it did. I don't know. Does that make a difference? All I see is like just shimmer happening. I don't know. So I guess it's the look. I don't know what the heck I did. Obviously I used very minimal colors. So because I know if I used the rainbow colors, I would look terribly like a hot mess. But this, I mean, I guess this looks okay, but it's also just kind of a light shimmer happening. As you can see, I tried my best, okay? So now I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be back with the mask. My face is nice and clean, and then I put some toner on because my face gets dry very easily, okay? So now I'm gonna use the mask. So this, it says, if you can't see it because it's kind of transparent, it's a tulip mask, and it's little things you stick on your face individually, and it's super cute. It's by KoStar, KoStar. It's a Korean brand, and it says the most romantic mask sheet ever. Now, if you watched my videos before, my reviews actually, I did a review on the rose version of this, and that actually smelled like roses. So maybe this will smell like tulips. It says to apply each slice onto a clean, dried face. Yeah, done. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and massage any excess into the skin. Yeah, that's a normal mask. So let me put it on. It already smells very flowery. Not sure if it smells like tulips, but you know, maybe there's something. So this is how it comes. It actually comes on like a clear sheet, and you just kind of pick them off like that. And you slap them on your face like that. And last time I kept getting them into my hairline, and I'm like, what the heck? So I'm actually gonna peel this part off because it doesn't, for some reason, doesn't take off any of the petals. The sheet is double-sided, so I've got some more on the other side. Stop! I almost knocked something over. And I'm peeling the rest of that off. I could slap that on my face if I want to, but no. So, ooh, got another side of this. We got them on, and it smells good. It smells clean, just not exactly like what I'd imagine tulips smell like. Maybe I'm thinking of tulips smelling like something else. Maybe like allergies. But yes, I'm gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be back. Yay! It's time to take it off. Woo, 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 woo. I could either take these off one by one, like this, you know, like that, or I could just do this. Yeah! So there! Now my face is all moisturized. You see the shininess? Just pew, pew, pew. It looks so beautiful. It is a little sticky. I kind of don't like that aspect of it, but better to be sticky than to be dry. So I really like this mask. I actually have two more of that. Another one of the rose and another one of this one. So I will be using these again, of course. Thank you for watching today. You know, if you like me doing my makeup terribly, maybe I'll do some more makeup things. I want to buy some more masks. Like, I only have one more mask after this, and it's like, oh no, what do I do next? So yeah, if you have any suggestions for, you know, beauty videos, because I'm still doing video games, of course. So if you have any suggestions for beauty videos, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. But also, while you're down there, go ahead and click the like button, and then also subscribe, because I know you're coming back anyway. So, you know, just come and see your girl. You know, she's gonna be here every week. Hopefully these particular days that I'm posting will become the days that I will post, okay? But no guarantees just yet. I'll see you next time. Bye. Subscribe.